Makeblock Starter Robot Kit is a great choice for those who are interested in learning robotics, electronics, Arduino, and Sratch programs. This kit contains about 40 different mechanical parts, electronic modules, and accessories, including 2 pieces of DC motor, 1 piece of Orion based on Arduino Uno, 1 piece of ultrasonic sensor, 1 piece of IR receiver, 1 piece of remote controller, and some other beams and tools. With the detailed instruction, you can easily build a cool robot tank or 3-wheel robot car, bringing you to the ultra-awesome robot world. Aluminum extrusion structure. All of the metal mechanical parts are made of strong aluminum metals. With the anodized blue aluminum extrusion structure, your robot will be cool and yet artistic. The unique designed threaded slot and hole enable easy and flexible connection for all mechanical parts. Easy wiring, no soldering required. The main board of the starter kit Orion is an easy-to-use board based on Arduino Uno with improvements for education. It provides 8 RJ25 ports, which can be used to connect to all the other ME series modules while saving you from the confusing pin wiring. Now you can stay focused on your amazing project. The ME series electronic modules are easy to connect to other parts, especially friendly for the beginners. Each one of the modules comes with a color tag and several hole sides. With this design, all you have to do is match the color of the module and that of the Orion board. Match the hole site with the beam. Then you can build an IR-controlled robot or an ultrasonic obstacle avoiding robot in about 2 hours, regardless of the fact that you may be just a beginner. The built robot can be powered by many different programming software, such as Arduino, Sratch, and Makeblock. Meanwhile, Makeblock also offers a free graphical programming software, Mblock, which is a graphical programming environment developed on the basis of Sratch 2.0. Build your own robots with Makeblock Starter Robot Kit.